Well, it's done. It's nice and smooth. I'm kind of beat. Well, like I said, it's my first try. And it went up pretty nice. It's so dark. It's so dark and overcast. I actually had to go grab the shop light because I couldn't see what I was spray painting. It's that dark. I was actually spray painting by shine. So I think I'm gonna teach myself how to clean this thing up. And tomorrow I'll just start out a little earlier. I have some other things. I'm gonna go up and clean the. Man, the lighting is just terrible. Well, like I said, as soon as I spray paint this, I'll spray paint this again tomorrow. I'll put the. I'll paint the ceiling and then I'll paint the walls, and then I can put the ceiling fans up and go to Habitat for Humanity and see if I can find a silver light to go over to hang over the door. Other than that, because I believe both the ceiling fans in the living room here are silver, as well as the kitchen is silver, and I have a really nice silver light for above the stove in the kitchen that I found at Habitat for Humanity. Actually, that was kind of fun. I'm not looking forward to cleanup. I'm not sure how much it's going to be. I don't want to waste any of this paint. So anyways, let me get to it. You guys have a blessed day. Be safe, and I will see you next time on Cheaper Than Rent.